Hi, I'm so happy to see you for another nature walk talk. Well, this is my first day back in Connecticut, and my welcoming committee is right there. As you can see, it's a committee of one, a beautiful great egret, and I'm just thrilled to be back. It's a gorgeous day, and totally different landscape, totally different seascape than what I've been used to in the past 3 months, and I'm happy to share it with you. So the inspiration, when I saw the egret, my inspiration was to share with you how lovely it is to come back to a place where you haven't been for a while, and you look for familiar signs and familiar grounding kinds of images or scents, or just whatever it is that makes you feel comfortable. And for me this morning, it was the great egret. Thanks for joining me for another nature walk talk. Bye-bye.